Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. So happy to have you here. Today we're just going to play with a whole bunch of new makeup. Some of the stuff I definitely was influenced to buy from TikTok, so it is kind of another TikTok made me buy it. Not all of it, but some of it, and then a lot of it is also from my last Ulta haul, which of course, TikTok rules the world. Sometimes I get like really, like all of a sudden all this makeup shows up and I just need to buy everything. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We do beauty, plus size fashion, food videos, vlogs, stuff like that. I have had extra fashion lately. I've been trying to catch up, but there will always be beauty on my channel. I know some people are disappointed when there isn't as much beauty. I've been so busy outside of YouTube that I haven't been able to do extra uploads, but once things calm down a little bit, I will definitely make sure that there's more beauty here on my channel because that's what my channel started on. And I don't want to leave you guys hanging. All right. Also, I'm going to pop in a look. You probably already saw in the thumbnail, but I'm going to pop in what the look looks like so you can know what you're getting into because I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going to sit down and play with makeup. All right, let's go ahead and jump in. All right, so I have two different primers that are new that I have not tried. One is from Revolution. One is from NYX. This is the one that TikTok made me buy, but this one just looks so good. I honestly can't decide which one to use. I feel like there's so much new Revolution that I have that I'm going to go with the next one now, but then we will definitely try this in a video soon. I'm so tempted to use them both. This is the mini, which is so stinking small. Just looks like a marshmallow. I'm probably going to need more than that. It does smell really good and fruity, which I mean is nice, but at the same time, I always feel weird when things are heavily scented and I put them on my face. Oh, that feels good. My cheeks are all pink, but that happens a lot whenever I touch my face. Okay, so the foundation we're going to try today is one from Essence. Oh, by the way, so far so good. The scent is a lot on this. I'm sure it'll fade, but it made my face so soft, and I forgot to moisturize, which I just realized. So, oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah. Okay, so the foundation we're going to use is the new one from Essence. I know it's a light coverage. Oh, sorry for the zipper noise. So I don't know how I'm going to feel about it. Thank you so much to them for sending this over. I might have to mix them because I am, like I said, my neck, the rest of my body is a little bit more tan. So I'm going to try and match this instead of, so this is just supposed to be a hydrating foundation. It's got hyaluronic and aloe vera, 24-hour long-lasting hydration. Maybe neutral vanilla will work. Oh yeah. I feel like that's pretty close. It does look like it's going to be really light coverage. I think I'm going to try applying it. I just washed my hands, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some with my hand because I have found with lighter coverage foundations, this just really does give you more coverage, even though I hate touching my face. Okay, in person, my face literally matches perfectly, but I can see on the screen it definitely looks like my face is way lighter than the rest of my body. These lights really do that. I might mix a little bit of a darker shade. I'm gonna try just like doing the perimeters of my face, kind of like contouring with it. Using Warm Desert. Okay, I'm looking a little crazy. That may have been a little overboard. But I'm just gonna trust that once I have everything else on, it's gonna be okay. Here's what it looks like. It just looks like a nice, super natural coverage. Again, don't mind that mine looks a little splotchy because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just playing. But it looks nice on the skin. It's just a lighter coverage than I normally go for. 3 different concealers to choose from. I think I'm going to go with the NYX one again. I've got the Wet n Wild Incognito because I feel like this one's a little bit too light. Honestly, I'll probably just mix them because whatever, but we'll start with the NYX one. Oh, that coverage. I'm going to, because this, you can see like it looks pretty nice under here, but I am going to add a little bit of this one because this one's a little bit darker and I feel like it's just going to make this all not look so crazy right now. I'm going to go ahead and contour just a little bit on top of that to see if I can blend it a little bit. I'm just going to use the Mega Bronzer in Cool from Revolution. Okay, we're just gonna trust the process and let's just keep going. I did pick up this new brow product from Revolution. It's the Laminate Brow. I got mine in medium brown. It's got the pencil on one side and a brow gel on the other. I'm really excited to try this. I've heard mixed things though. Ooh, okay, I like that. Wow, this is the most hair-like stroke of a brow pencil that I've ever used. Most of the negative things I heard about it were about the brow gel. It already feels like there's not a lot of gel on the brush, like it really cleans off the brush. And I've been used to using the glue from NYX, the glue, you know what I'm saying. It doesn't seem bad. I mean, as long as it holds somewhat. I really love the pencil. The gel isn't the best I've ever tried, but I really like super glued down brows, and now I've been obsessed with the NYX brow gel. The glue one, I keep forgetting what it's called, but you get what I'm saying. All right, so I'm choosing between two different palettes, both are from Alter Ego. The first one I thought I was going to go with is Canyon. I think I was just thinking, looking at the outside, it was going to be red. It's absolutely gorgeous, but it is definitely an everyday palette, so I'm not sure if I want to do something that neutral.
Hi, future me. I'm an idiot, and this is a Violet Voss palette. Ah!
The other one is All of You Forever, which has a really beautiful green in it. Gorgeous. So we might go with this one just for something slightly different for me. I think we're gonna use both. Is there yellow in here? We're just gonna play with them. Again, these are both from Alter Ego. I believe I have a coupon code. I'll leave them linked down below for you guys. As always, I always leave everything linked down below. Link down below. We're gonna start with this shade Earth. And popping it in the crease. And it's taking that same shade on the lower lash line. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into this one, the All of You palette. I think I want to use Olive Glow. I think I'm just gonna go for it and put it all over the lid. Let's see how this goes. Tiny little blender, and some of that green. Blending up on the outer corner. Kind of winging. I have this new glitter from LA Girl. It's one of their liquid glitters. It is the Dream Glitter Iridescent Liquid Eyeshadow. Iridescent Dream. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the back of my hand. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Oh yeah, I'm just playing. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. I do think I need to add something a little bit darker on this outer corner. So let's see, I think I'm gonna go in with, I think I wanna do Endless Desire, which is this guy right here. I might mix a little bit of Charms in there too. I'm just gonna go boop, 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 you know, back and forth, like this. And then just kind of pat it out here. Now with the original brush and the original shade that we started with, Earth, and just kind of blend the edges, this guy right here. And add that warmth back in to the look. I'm gonna go ahead, because I have it, I was looking for something else and I found it. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my inner corner with the Shop Missy Pigment and Orb. And just really brightens, oh, I just stuck myself in the eye, brightens up the eye. I'm actually gonna kind of put it on this inner corner just a little bit, bring it up, brighten that up, you know. I did pick up this whole set of eyeliners, which TikTok made me buy. I saw a girl using them and it's like a huge, oh, I think there is black. It's a whole set. It was like under 20 bucks. She said they were amazing. The reviews are pretty good. Maybe we will use a dark green. That's a lot. They are the Color Eyeliner Long Lasting by Rechoo. I don't know. I'll link these down below again for you guys. Everything will be linked down below. You can see it is a pen. I'm going to test it. Oh, she is pigmented. Let's just go in. Let's do it. I don't think they're the best at covering eyeshadows. This might be better. It's working. It's just not as easy. So they might be better just being like just a colorful liner. Honestly, that looks freaking terrible. Out here, I'm not getting it to work, so I think I'm just gonna cover it up. Yeah, it's just making it look worse, which sucks because it's so pretty, but it's just not applying over those. I'll try these again just on their own, but they're a little bit draggy. Yes, we do have a green from Shop Missy. So let's use this green from Shop Missy and see how that goes. I honestly really like these liquid pen liners from Shop Missy. This one is in green. I thought it was gonna have. So it's definitely gonna be more of like a, oh no, it's pretty similar. It's a little bit lighter. Oh yeah, this is so much better. So much better. Oh my gosh. Yay, we still get a green liner. It's actually covering. I'm just putting a tiny bit of black liner down here. So I just put a little bit of that green over the black liner so you can kind of see the metallic glow of it all. Okay, I have probably too many lash options. The first one are these lashes from Kiss, which look absolutely beautiful. They are their Luxtensions collection. This is in Royal Silk. So there's these. Part of me wants to go with these, which are Design B from, Design D from Alley Crown. I reordered Design B, and this is what Design B is supposed to look like, but the ones I got do not look like this. Girl, I don't know what happened. But anyway, Shopmistay was sweet enough to send over some of their new foam ink lashes, but these are very much in between, some shorter lengths and some in between lengths. I love a really dramatic lash, and honestly with this look I feel like I need some drama. Claire looks really pretty. Charlotte, Anastasia are kind of in between. Okay, stopped recording. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try these ones because why not? And if for some reason I'm not going to use these ones, I will use these ones. Honestly, these look really similar. And this was like $6. And these are like $7.99, I think, for 4 pairs. So, wow, those really, those look really similar, you guys. Dang. I'll link both below for you. I feel like lashes just always fix everything. I'm not 100% in love with these. I honestly feel like the quality looks... These look more expensive. These ones are from Amazon. They're the Alley Crown faux mink lashes. I love Design B and Design B. Honestly, all of them are really pretty though. I've purchased them all. So I just feel like these are a little bit better than the Kiss ones. Personally, I think that the Kiss ones are really, really pretty. If you don't want to order from Amazon, I totally get it. You can pick up the Kiss ones at Ulta. I feel like I'm forgetting a new blush, but I'm just going to go ahead and go with Wine from Shopmistay, just because I was feeling it. Hoping this is going to bring our cheeks a little bit together, you know? But we do have new highlighters, so very excited for the new highlighters. The two that I have are the Unicorn Heart from I Heart Revolution and the Catrice one. I might try them both, honestly, but I think I want to try the Catrice one. This is the Supreme Rose Beam. It looks so gorgeous. It looks super metallic. I might have to wet my brush, though. This swatched, it didn't swatch the best, so we're gonna give it a go and see if it looks how it looks on the cheek, which, girl, there we go. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. The setting spray I'm gonna use. I'm really excited to try this guy out. This is the Superfix Super Hold Misting Spray. It's got ultimate matte finish with aloe and vitamin E. It's got like this super fine mist. You do have to pump it though. Whew. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of concealer on my lips just to lighten them up. Just using a Shopmistay concealer. And we're gonna use shade Venus. I feel like I need to neutralize it a little bit. I'm gonna try chocolate chip cookie dough. Not quite. I don't even know what lip I wanted to go with this look, so I'm just... Alright, loves, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Most everything was good. I really like the palettes. I think that the shadows are really beautiful. I really loved this guy. That primer, the Marshmellow primer from NYX, was super soft. Like the NYX Marshmellow primer, it made my face so soft. I really did like the Laminate brow pencil from Revolution as well. I just don't think the gel is super duper. I feel like they should have had a more intense gel for it to be a laminate situation, because I get the pencil and calling it a laminate because it is easy to do hair strokes, so it's going to make some of your brows look like they're standing up straight if you want to, but it's just not, I feel like I just wish it was a little bit more of an intense brow gel, you know? I honestly, now that everything's on, that foundation from Essence looks really, really nice. I know I put a lot on, but it's looking really nice. The lashes I'm not in love with. I feel like they look a little bit synthetic, and I think with my hooded lids, them being so curly, that it just looks a little bit funny. I tried to take some pictures of this look, and honestly the lashes just were in the way for a lot of it and kind of looked a little bit shiny, so I'm not 100% in love with those. But again, I will link my favorite similar ones down below because these are actually fluffier and they are curly, but they're not as intense curled. They're curlier than the average lash, but not as curly as these ones, which I get. I get the idea. They're supposed to be like lash extensions and look super curly. Okay, I think that's everything. I kind of gave you my first impressions I went through, but anyway, let me know what kind of products you want me to try out next. If there's any new affordable products that you are into and you want to see me test out, let a girl know down below in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it so I can know that you guys really do want to keep seeing makeup content. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling. I feel like this video is gonna be so long. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.